Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today on Thirsty Thursdays, we're making grilled peach whiskey sours. The whiskey sour is a classic whiskey cocktail. It's super simple. You just get your whiskey, you've got some sort of lemon or citrus juice, and then some simple syrup. And because I'm a cook and not a mixologist, I'm taking some creative liberties. We're gonna be incorporating grilled peaches into this, as well as a peach and mango syrup. We're gonna start with our peach here. Let's get the pit out of there and take it over to the grill. We're gonna get these over some direct flame inside the Yoder Smoker's YS640S pellet grill. It's running hickory pellets at 450 degrees. Right down onto the hot grill grates. So this is an optional ingredient, but we're gonna add it today, and that is egg white. Because when you add an egg white, you can really froth this up and it gets this really velvety texture. First try. We only need about a tablespoon of this for each drink, so I'm just gonna whisk it to kind of incorporate the thick whites with the thin whites. We got some char on that cut side. Now we're flipping them over to kind of loosen up the skin. All right, got some nice char on that side now. Let's get these off of here. We need some lemon juice for this recipe, but first we're gonna take off a bit of this peel, a bit of the zest. And not that we're really gonna eat this, but I'm gonna trim off some of that pith as well. This is definitely something you wanna do fresh. Don't use that bottled stuff. I'm gonna take the skin off of this. If you leave a little bit behind, no big deal, because we're gonna strain this here when we're done. So peaches into the blender. We're gonna add 1 cup of bourbon. We're using Wild Turkey 101 today. And we're just gonna completely blitz this. Now we've got peach whiskey. Just gonna run this through the strainer, get any solids out. And then you wanna let it cool down a bit. Let's bring it all together now. Don't judge me. You know I'm a cook, not a mixologist, so we're doing this in a marinade shaker. 1/4 cup of our peach whiskey. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of our bird bath. This is the peach mango. Most of the time you're just gonna use simple syrup for this, but since we have this glaze that's essentially the same kind of thing with some peach and mango flavor, that's what we're gonna use. And I'm gonna grab 1 tablespoon of egg whites to throw in there and give it a shake. So this is the dry shake. This is without any ice. What we're doing right now is we're creating froth from that egg white. When you beat egg whites, you get meringue eventually. We're doing the same thing with this drink. We're creating that velvety texture. Then we're gonna give it another shake with some ice to chill it down. We don't wanna do this for too long because that's gonna start to mess with the consistency of the sour. And just to be clear, you can leave out that egg white if that weirds you out, but it adds so much texture. Pour it over 1 giant ice cube in your whiskey glass, and then we're gonna do a garnish. So this is a choose your own adventure. Do you want lemon? Do you want peach? Do you want both? We could do both. Traditionally, this drink is going to have a lemon and cherry garnish. This is a Bada Bing whiskey infused cherry. Serve it right on top. How pretty is that? Cheers. The texture is fantastic. I love how like creamy and velvety it is. The sour sticks out to me. If you're not a whiskey drinker, this is a drink that you can drink. And honestly, if you like things sweeter, you can always add more of that mango peach glaze and sweeten it up. But I love where the sour's at. I think it's really well balanced. This is a summertime classic for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out atbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoyed the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to atbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.